Comet, are you gonna show Mommy what a baby you are? Yes, how excited you are. You don't know whether to take your bone or your ducky, your favorite toy ever. I know. Which one are you gonna take? Oh, you're gonna take the bone. But you gotta whine a little bit more. Oh, there we go. What are you gonna do, Comet? He's so excited, he's pacing. Oh, are you gonna go bury it in the carpet upstairs? Comet, say thank you to Grandma. Huh? Comet, are you a wussy? Are you a wussy dog? Can't even take a bone like a man. Come on, Comet. It's okay. Start chewing on it. There we go. Oh, yeah. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you for my bone. Even though it traumatizes me for about 5 minutes. Comet. Comet. Yes. Say thank you.